Patience and wisdom are our guide. With knowledge, hearts find peace inside. He who holds knowledge holds true might, and wisdom keeps the old heart bright. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are grateful to Allah who has illuminated us with the light of knowledge and guided us on the path of awareness. Endless greetings and salutations to our esteemed teachers who, like candles, have burned to light the way of knowledge and science for us. Respected teachers, dear parents, distinguished guests, and my beloved classmates, today is a special and unforgettable day in our lives, a day that marks not just the end of a chapter, but the beginning of our journey of progress and advancement. Years of effort, hard work, sleepless nights, and studying have culminated in this glorious moment. A moment where we stand with pride to celebrate the fruits of our labor while looking toward the future with endless hope. In this grand and honorable gathering, we have come together to speak about the value of knowledge and education. We recognize the tireless efforts of our dear parents and our kind teachers, and we make a renewed commitment to continue on the path of science and advancement. With this introduction, I begin my speech and express my heartfelt gratitude for your warm and valuable presence at this magnificent celebration. Esteemed guests, no matter how much we talk about the importance and acquisition of knowledge, it will never be enough or too much. Because it is only through knowledge that a person discovers the philosophy of their existence. Based on historical evidences, humans have always sought comfort, a better life with greater opportunities. From the dawn of their existence to today, this would not be enough without acquiring knowledge and wisdom. Acquiring knowledge is like a lamp that dispels darkness and ignorance and leads us through highest levels of education and success. No civilization has flourished without acquiring knowledge, and no society has reached prosperity without science. Learning is the path that guides humanity from the darkness of ignorance towards the light of success. In these years, we have learned that knowledge is not only the key to personal success, but also the foundation of the progress of a community and nation. Therefore, today our graduation is not the end of the road, but rather a bridge that leads us to higher levels of education and awareness. Honorable parents, respected teachers, no achievement is possible without your unwavering support and wise guidance. You have burned like candles to illuminate the path of science and knowledge for us. With patience and perseverance, you have led us out of the valley of ignorance and engraved the letters and alphabets of morality in our hearts and mind. Today, we bow our heads in deep respect before you, our dear parents and respected teachers. And we express our heartfelt gratitude for your support and tireless efforts. Every word we have learned from you is a light that will brighten our future. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Thank you so much.